positioned radiator grille with Mercedes-Benz pattern. Wow. Power domes on the bonnet. Frameless doors. Digital light. What else do we have? Now what do we have here? Integral design seats with 7-zone massage. Hello, Mr. Carmasaur. Burmester 3D surround sound system with Dolby Atmos. 17 speakers? What?
Hey, Madeline.
It says the new MBUX comes with routines, so that the CLE Coupe can be adapted to your personal habits and has the option to install third-party apps.
Oh, Angry Birds. That's fun.
And the 11.9-inch center display. Sounds like fun.
Actually, it sounds like this.
It says here it's available as a mild hybrid and will come as a plug-in hybrid too. Also that it comes with optional dynamic body control with adjustable damping and 2.5-degree rear axle steering. A new dashboard design, the 12.3-inch all-digital instrument display, ambient lighting with lighting bands and 64 colors, and several different moods. Sounds just like me.
Hey, Madeline.
There's something I wanted to tell you. You got the wrong car.
Wait, wrong car?
You were supposed to do the CLE Cabriolet.
Which cabriolet?